Daryl sure is picky about his Tacoma. Slightest little thing, and he takes care of it. This time, it's the little scratches behind the door handle that your fingernails make. Let's see how he solves this problem. And we're going on a coffee run at the end of the video, so let us know how you like your coffee in the comments.
Door handle scratches is a common problem with many cars and trucks. One way to prevent that is with a plastic covering called paint protective film, or PPF for short. It's a little tricky to install, so let's watch Daryl install this PPF on the taco truck.
This week we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to do the exterior of the truck. Over the last year or so, I've had an issue with the handle, okay, getting scratched up on the inside from my hand going inside there. So I am putting on paint protective film over it. So the first thing I have to do is buff out some of these scratches and then put on the paint protective film. And hang in there and I'll show you guys how I do it. My paint inside the door handle is getting scratched up from me putting my fingers in there and opening it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buff it out a little bit. Okay, I might have to do that by hand because you can't get any machines in there. But I'm going to buff it out a little bit, see if I can get rid of those swirls, and then I'm going to put some paint protective film on it. So this is what I got. I got it on Amazon from a place called U-Pro Max, and it's got protective film for the four door handles, plus a fuel cap cover. I'm not sure about that one. And then also there's an extra piece in here. So let's pull this out. This is what I get. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's two pieces of paint protective film here that kind of does almost a dog bone type look to it or something like that. So the whole idea is you peel this off and then you apply it and you try to do it smoothly and that so that it blends in with the paint. So here I am trying to buff out some of these scratches. See how successful I am at this. You're limited to how much pressure you can put on this, which is maybe a good thing. But we're going to find out in a second how good this works. And it looks like it worked pretty good in general. I don't want to take too much off. Because I did ceramic coat this thing last year. And I'm going to redo it again soon. Yeah, that looks a lot better, doesn't it, guys? So this is the paint protective film. I don't know if you can see it very well, hopefully a little bit better. But I'm going to take and very carefully, because I don't want to stick it, I'm going to put it up here inside the door handle. And that looks centered and kind of straight. And I'm applying it smoothly across the middle first so that I can work it downward. And then upward. A little bit at a time until you get it smoothed on the way it should be. Because it's got to kind of stretch to fit that contour. You know, you're going from flat to something that's curved. And you just got to take your time and rub it into place. So you're moving, you're stretching the paint protective film a little bit so that it works. Okay, and as you can see, I've rubbed out those little marks, or not marks, but I've rubbed out those little inconsistencies, and now I have some film in there. What do you guys think? Hopefully this is going to stop some of that. Looks like I might have a little bit of air in there. I'll keep rubbing it until I get it out of there. A lot of times when you put these films on there, the films breathe a little bit, and after a couple days all your bubbles go away. That's been my experience in the past. So that's about right. Okay, I'm going to get the other doors done, and I think we're good on this one. This is one of those simple things that just makes sense. And once you've got it on, you really don't have to think about it again.
So, we still doing the coffee run?
Yeah, let's go.
And this week we're switching it up.
And if you're ever in Dyer, Indiana and need a good cup of coffee,
Stop in at Daily Drip.
Ask for Allison. She manages both locations.
and try one of her signature drinks.
Unless it's green.
I'm still not drinking anything that's green.
That's a personal limitation.
If you liked watching us share the taco truck today, hit like and share it with your friends or even your own everyday Tacoma girl. Subscribe before we start selling tacos on the street. Thanks for riding shotgun with us. Love you guys. Till next time. This is Cody.